What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. This week's video is going to be a little bit different. And yeah, sadly, just like the title says, in honor of my stolen truck. Um, the good thing about this is it's not the truck that I'm currently working on. It's actually a truck that I used to own about 5 or 6 years ago. And this picture that you are seeing right now, it's actually the first picture I ever took. That's the day I bought it. I got it for a very good price. I got it for 600 bucks. It was a 1993 GMC Sierra. It was a 350 V8 step side, just like the one I have right now. Strong motor, good transmission, nothing bad with it. It's just the body. The interior was in pretty bad shape. So you know what? I was like, let me go ahead and buy this truck and fix it up, just like what I'm doing right now. Um, but as soon as I was done fixing the truck, about 2 or 3 months later, that's whenever it was stolen from me from my driveway. I still remember the day. It was like around 10 o'clock. I was watching a movie, and this truck had a Flowmaster, and like it had a very distinct noise whenever you turned it on. And I remember I was watching a movie, and I just heard the truck turn on, and I'm like, wait, what? So, I didn't think much of it because I'm like, it can't be my truck, right? And then I just heard the truck like peel off, and then I'm like, oh shit, I think that was my truck. And then I just went running outside, and yes, she was gone. I did file a police report. I still remember the day. I remember. I even remember when the cop told me at the end. He was like, "Well, we'll try our best to find your truck, but most likely we're not gonna find it." He even gave me percentages. He's like, the chances of you or us finding that truck, it's about 12%. That's exactly what he said. That was the percentage of vehicles that are stolen and their owners get them back. So it was already looking bad for me. But anyways, guys, I was going through my phone and I found a lot of pictures of the progress that I did on this truck. So I'm gonna go ahead and share that with y'all. I hope y'all like it, and comment, like the video, share the video. Um, I've been getting a lot of subscribers lately, and I thank y'all for that. To all the new subs. Well, that's enough of me talking, guys. I'm gonna start sharing those pictures of the progress that I did on that truck. She was a beauty when she was done. Trust me, she was pretty ugly at the beginning, but you're gonna like the those last pictures when she was completely done. And back to what I was saying a little while ago. Thank you for the new subs. Thank you for all the views. Thank you for the likes. Thank you for the dislikes too. And the goal for this month would be 315. That's the goal that I'm setting. I mean, for myself as well. I want to hit 350 subs, and I was thinking of doing a little giveaway whenever we reach 1,000 subscribers. Since this is a card channel, I was thinking of doing like a small gift card for either AutoZone, Napa, O'Reilly, Advanced Auto Part. Something small, nothing big. So I invite y'all to subscribe. That will give a subscribe and like the channel. I mean, like the video and comment. That would give you a better chance of winning. So again, enough of me talking. Let's get to the point of this video. Let me start sharing those pictures with y'all. Again, like, subscribe, and I'll see y'all next week, guys.